everybody, this is Spinning Broom here, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make your very own game in Scratch. Now, Scratch is a programming tool where you snap blocks together to make certain things happen. So, for example, if I were to get this, I can do that. So whenever the green flag icon is clicked up here, the cat moves 10 steps. And generally, there's a lot of things that can be done. Now, because this is the first tutorial, I'll get through some really basic things here. This area around the cat is called the stage. This is where all the main things happen. Down here is the sprites. These are the characters that appear on the stage. These are backdrops. You can paint different ones that we will be doing in this tutorial. And you know, this is when the magic happens. Cause you drag these blocks into here, and then they snap on, and then you can double click on them here to execute the code. And the best thing about this is that it's provided for free. So, as I said, let's create our game. Now, the first thing is I don't want this cat, so I right click and delete. Now, but then we have nobody to control. So you can click on, look at this little icon down here. You can click on that to select a sprite from the library. You can do this to paint it. You can click this to paint a new sprite. That to upload a sprite from file, and that to take a new sprite from your webcam if you have one, which I don't know why you do. So for this we'll be using choose sprite from library, and we'll be using cat 2. Now we have cat 2. He's a bit big, don't you think? So go up here and click the shrink tool, and then click on him a few times. Good, that's a nice size. Now, now, as I said, we're making a game, so we want a goal for the cat to reach. Now, so what we'll do is we'll go into the backdrops and lot of little green square here, let's see, and I forgot to fill it in with colour, so don't forget to do that. And that is quite easy because the cat can just go there, but so we're going to add some obstacles now. Now, go back into the backdrop. You can edit it. So we're going to have some red lines as our sort of obstacle maze type thing. Right, so I can also hold shift to make the line straight, and if it gets a bit buggy for some reason, you can just do control what was it? Control. You can just click undo. You can just click the undo button at the top and simply attempt again. And you can see this time that I have created a good line. Now I'm just going to keep it simple because we don't have exactly a lot of time. So we'll get the player to come down here, and then along here, and then over here, and throw a little gap there, and then get rid of that, and up through this gap here, and then down here, and then finally back up. Right, now here's the problem. The cat can't move. We can drag him about with the mouse, but it means he can just go over the lines. That's not what we want. So, So when space key pressed, we don't want that. We want up arrow. We want up arrow for in this case. Want it to point in direction up. So I want it to point up, and then change the X by 10. I think. No, wait, no, it's Y, sorry. It's Y. Change Y by 10. Yep, okay, right, so that should be like that. Oh no, that's entirely wrong. Don't do that. Do not do that. Right, so you want a, when green flag clicked, forever if thing then, we'll get if key space pressed, but I don't want that, we want the up arrow in this case, then get the cat to face upwards, so point in direction 0 degrees, and then change Y by 10. Great. Now you just want to right click on this code and not delete it. Damn it, hang on. So, right, I got the code back, finally. So you have to do is you want to right click and click duplicate, and then just put that wherever you want, and just keep doing it 4 times. They don't want this code up here to be executed 4 times. So we'll edit some of the code slightly. So we'll make this one down arrow, point in direction of 180, and change Y by -10. And I can have this the left arrow over here. And we'll make it point in direction -90, and then we don't want to change Y though. We want to change X. So go to the motions category and select change X, and then you want to for left you want to do -10, and for right arrow you want it to point in direction 90 degrees and get to change the X by 10. And now we've stopped the program and start it again. The cat can move about, but look, the cat can just go through the lines. That's not what we want, is it? So what we'll do is, well, actually, I think the cat is still a bit big for this, so get the shrink tool and shrink him down just a bit more. Good, now he's small and nimble. Now, we don't really have to guide the cat through the maze, because as I just demonstrated, he can go through the lines, can't he? So, what we do now is we go to the cat, and we want to do when green flag icon clicked, forever, if then again, and then we want inserting category, if touching car. We don't want pink, we want red, so go and highlight your mouse over red and then click. So now we selected that. Then now, where is the starting point for this cat? It's currently -202, -149. So we'll do -202. Oh well, it's actually there already. So now you can move the cat about, and if it touches the color red, you can see it goes back to the start. Now, so that's all nice and well. So now you have to get. Now you actually have to get the cat through the maze, and you can't just make him go through the lines. And you can stay screwed up there. But let's say I didn't mess up there. I could just go right to the goal, right? No, because I go to the goal, nothing happens. So I want to add more code to the cat, where if it's touching the colour green, then it's sent to the next stage. But we don't have a next stage yet. So very quickly, for this to work, you're going to need to make a new backdrop. You don't really have to. We can just get some text and make it say, you win. Good. And then so I want to when green flag icon clicked, forever if thing then. Wow, this is a lot of if things then. It's just kind of the same code over and over again in a way, but not kind of. So go into the blue sensing category, and if touching, no, not that. If touching color, we don't want it to be red, to be green this time. Then switch backdrop to backdrop 2, which can be found in the Pro Promotions category. And now let's test out our game. So we have the cat, and we can move him about simply by pressing the arrow keys. And if we touch the red lines, we fail, and we're sent back to the start. So we simply have to get the cat through the maze very carefully. And then when we touch the green thing, we get you win. So this was a quick tutorial on how to make a game in Scratch, and I hope you have all enjoyed and have found this helpful. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.